In this video, I'll detail how to install YouTube Music on iPhone on our existing. So if you're using an iPhone and you want to install the YouTube Music application on your iPhone to have access to YouTube Music on your iPhone, here is a quick way to do that. So if I download this video, you found this really helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to install YouTube Music on your iPhone, all you just need to do is open the App Store. While on the App Store page, click on the search box, or you can just do that by clicking on the search box at the bottom right. Then search for YouTube Music. And click on the search button on your keypad. Once you click on that, locate YouTube Music and click on Get. Then here you'll be prompted to install YouTube Music on your iPhone. Just go ahead and click on Install. Then go ahead and type in your iPhone passcode. Once you type in your iPhone passcode, click on the sign in button. Then wait for your Apple ID to sign into the App Store on your iPhone by confirming your passcode. Then you should see done. This is going to go ahead now to download and install the YouTube Music app on my iPhone. Now, once the process is completed, go ahead and click on Open to open the YouTube Music app on your iPhone. Then YouTube Music will allow you to paste from Facebook or any application don't allow. Then there you go. You'll be prompted to sign into the YouTube Music app on your iPhone. So, if you found this really helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.